guys, thanks for joining us on Steve's Monumental Adventure Series 2. We are literally in full swing now. We're heading to Derbyshire now to view a beautiful hall set in the most beautiful countryside. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Well, I always look at Apley Castle in Telford and think to myself, wouldn't it have been good if maybe the TDC would have left it and it was maybe an empty shell at least, or something that showed us what was there originally. And I'm actually in a place called Sutton Scarsdale, which is near Chesterfield, and I'm about to show you exactly that. In these beautiful rolling countryside here, there is a house, a mansion, a Georgian mansion called Sutton Scarsdale Hall, and I'm going to show you it. So in front of us we have Sutton Scarsdale Hall, which was built around about 1724, finished in 1729, and it's one of a few houses that have been built on this site previously. And look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at the mighty entrance to the building. And it's actually built on this beautiful plateau that's here, look. I mean, we're really early in the morning now. The sun's just coming up through there, look. So this once was a great country estate that stretched far and wide. And you can see here, you can see on this part of the building here, they have, they've still got some of the, well, they're not, I don't think they are the windows. I think they're just designed to keep people out potentially. It's all fenced off, managed by the National Trust. Sutton Scarsdale Hall sits on an elevated plateau in the Derbyshire countryside. The hall was built between 1724 and 1729 for the Earl of Scarsdale. The architect was Francis Smith of Warwick, who modified a much earlier building from 1469. The hall was built to the very elegant Baroque style, and only the best craftsmen were allowed to work on this site, and they included Edward Poynton, he was the stonemason, and Arturi and Veselli, the Italians, who created some of the marvellous plasterwork. Like most stately homes and halls, you have to be very, very rich to keep them, but more often than not, these families get into trouble and they end up having to sell off their properties. John Arkwright, who was an industrialist, bought the hall in 1919 and sold it to the asset strippers, who completely stripped rooms and sold them off all over the place, and mainly to museums. And some of these examples of these rooms can be found in Pennsylvania in the USA. By 1946 the hall was in ruins. It had no roof, that had been sold off completely, the windows and some of the window lintels and stonework. By 1970, the hall was due to be dismantled stone by stone by architectural salvage. But the Sitwell family, who were descendants of the original family that owned the house, they tried to save the house, and eventually they were successful, and it became under the ownership of the English Heritage, which today they look after. They are the custodian of the building, and although you can't walk around inside at the moment due to restoration work, it is just stunning to just come and have a look. I think it will really look really good with the drone footage. So without further ado, let's cue the drone. Hi guys, thank you for watching another episode of Steve's Monumental Adventures. Have you ever visited a National Trust property? What's your thoughts on it? Leave a comment in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps it to grow. Thank you for watching, see you on the next video.